Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this bedside shelf from Home. So I do want to thank Home for actually gifting this to me. But essentially, this right here is a really cool way to actually add like a side table to your bedside. And so what I'm used to is like nightstands. And so nightstands tend to take up room. But with a simple shelf like this, you have a place for controllers, TV controllers, you have a place for your phone. You also have like these clips on the side here to kind of hold the wiring. And you also have various hooks which can be used for a multitude of different uses. And so this easily mounts onto the wall. Provided with it is a mount-on screw, or you can actually use adhesive in case you don't want to damage the wall. But overall, I'd say this is a really neat way to actually go ahead and organize your things aside from just having a nightstand. So in my case, my nightstand tends to get cluttered, but this is a really nice way to kind of have more room on your nightstand and also organize your things. But I've had no problems with it whatsoever.